Hello, welcome to How to Make a Balloon Swan. My name is Louise. I'm an adult and teen services librarian at Morley Library. This video is a part of our Adult Summer Reading Program 2021. It includes a supply list, a video demo, some tips, and a thank you for watching. Let's get started. Supplies are pretty simple. You need two 60 balloons for tying and a balloon pump. The illustration here is of a hand pump, and that is great for an amateur like me to get started with. Next up, we have the video demonstration.
Hi, welcome to the demo portion of how to make a balloon swan for grown-ups. We start with the balloons. This is a 260 balloon, and that's the size and the number that the experts use. I'm an amateur who just likes to try new things. First, we stretch the balloon, and then we're going to pump it up with my hand pump. When I'm putting the open end of the balloon onto my pump nozzle, I want to make sure I have enough on there, enough of the balloon on the nozzle, so that when I'm blowing it up I can wrap my fingers around here and hold it on securely and not lose air while I'm pumping. Second thing is starting with the pump open. It makes it a lot easier to blow up the balloon. And there we go. Okay. Take that off the pump, give it a little twist, and I'm going to show you the other end. I've got like three to four finger lengths of end here. A lot of times they do this. This isn't inflated to give you room to move without breaking your balloon, because you're always starting from the tied end and working toward loose end. That gives you some wiggle room. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have given this a few little twists, but I'm going to pinch, because when you're blowing up balloons it's always pinch and turn, and when you're turning your balloon, you want to turn it in the same direction all the time. So I'm going to pinch this, and what I want to do is make a bubble right here at the end. One, I'm going to give it 3 turns. 1, 2, 3. There's my bubble. Kind of a funny looking bubble. And I let go, and that'll give me enough room to blow up or to tie my knot comfortably. And there it is. That was easy. The next thing we're going to do for the swan is we're going to fold this into thirds. And it's going to be a little awkward to do, but it's doable. So that's my first. And you can adjust it as you go on. There's the first section right here. This is the second and third. Kind of eyeball to make sure that all three, this section and this one squashed, are the same length. Closest you can get them. Okay. And once you think you have a pretty good proportion, you want to hang on to that knot, and we're going to pinch all 3 of these together, believe it or not. So we pinch like that, and then turn everything. 1, 2, 3, and that's what it looks like when you're ready to work with it. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to push one of these ovals through the other. Put them together like this. And what works for me, and I saw a gentleman do it in a video, is from the middle, I put my finger through like that, and then just pull. And remember, when you're pulling this through, you don't want to pull it all the way. Okay, just enough. So you've just made the body of your swan like that. This is the neck of the head. And to form the head, I'm going to bend a little section down, hang on to it with that end, and just do a little bit of squeezing, a little pinching, and then let it off. The other thing I can do is, if I want to give a little curve to the neck, I can go like this. And it sounds horrible when you're doing it. The reason I have the headset on is it makes so much noise. You can't hear anybody talking. So you just roll it back. And then you can make some more adjustments to your head, your swan head there. I'm going to have a little funny looking head today, but that's okay. And then I bend it back a little bit. And take a look. Now I've got my knot sticking out there. It's easy to tuck away. Got it tucked in. And there I have it. One swan swimming. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.
First off, practice, practice, practice. It's a lot of fun, and um, it's just an enjoyable way to get to learn how to do this particular craft. Stretch the balloon before you start. That helps a great deal when it comes to blowing them up. Um, use a hand pump, and always remember to start with the pump completely open. At the end of each balloon, pinch and make a bubble, and keep the balloon side twisted so you have enough room to make a knot to make it easy when you make a knot. Always hold the balloon in the same hand to pinch and twist in the same direction. And the final tip is always twist in the same direction. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.